When you want to buy catfish, you know where to go to. When you want to buy designer bags, you know where to go to. But when you want to buy shares like MTN shares, do you know where to go to? You get them from the Nigerian exchange. But you can't access that market on your own. You need a broker to give you access to that market. And in this video, I will explain to you what brokers do and how you can get one so that you can start trading in the Nigerian market. First of all, who is a broker? A broker is basically a market agent. So shares are usually traded in a stock market. In Nigeria, they are traded in the Nigerian Stock Exchange or the Nigerian Exchange. And this is like a marketplace where people come to buy and sell shares. However, individuals do not just walk into the Nigerian exchange and say, I want to buy 2 shares of MTN, and they count 1, 2 and give you 2 shares of MTN. No, that is not how it happens. If you want to buy shares from the Nigerian market, you need to go through a broker. And who is a broker? A broker is basically an agent who acts as an intermediary between you, the potential investor, and the Nigerian exchange, which is the stock market. So if you want to buy 1,000 units of MTN shares, all you need to do is to contact a broker. Tell the broker how many units of MTN shares you want to buy and at what price you are willing to buy them. And on the other side, the broker gets a buyer who is also willing to sell MTN shares at an equivalent price. At the end of the day, the two trades are matched and you've bought your shares indirectly from the other party who was willing to sell his shares. So in effect, you've actually bought these shares from another investor like you. However, you didn't meet them physically. You went through a broker who acted as an intermediary between you and the person on the other side of the trade. Now you know who a broker is and what they do. But the next question is, how do you get a broker? I mean, how do you get one that is fully licensed and not a scam? All you have to do is go to the NGX website where they have the list of active brokers or the list of licensed brokers and scroll through and choose your preferred broker. To get to this NGX website, all you need to do is click the link on my bio and it will take you straight to the list of licensed brokers in the Nigerian market. So on the website, you see a directory of all licensed brokers in the Nigerian market and also a status on whether they are active or inactive. So you can scroll down and select your preferred brokers. However, there are some things you need to check before making your final decision on which broker to work with. The first thing you need to check is convenience. In this day and age, nobody wants to be visiting a physical office. We all want to be able to do what we need to do on our phones. So check if this broker has online accessibility, if they have an app or if they have an online website where you can easily go and put in your trades. Then the second thing you need to check is their customer support. Some brokers are not very good when it comes to customer support. So also check that whichever broker you are choosing has a good customer support so that when you have issues, you can easily call them and they'll rectify the issue for you. The third thing you need to check is their fees or commissions. Different brokers have different rates for fees and commissions. So make sure you are choosing the one that is affordable for you. Now, after you've chosen your broker, preferably they are online, all you need to do is to create an account with this broker and give them your details. You need to give them things like your BVN, your name, your ID for verification, and a proof of address, because with this information, they will have to create a CSCS account and CHN for you. Once this is done and settled, then you can start buying shares and making money from the comfort of your home. And the best part is, most of these brokers now allow you to start with as little as 1,000 naira or 5,000 naira, depending on the one you are using. So don't say you don't have a lot of money to start with. You can actually start with the little amount you have. To learn more about investing, hit the follow button. Don't forget to like and share this video, and I'll see you in the next one.